Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on Temu. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First of all, add all your favorite items to your cart. Once you are ready, tap Checkout. At the payment screen, select Add a new payment method and choose debit or credit card. Now open your Cash App. Tap the card icon to view your Cash App card details. If you don't have a Cash App card yet, you can easily order one within the app. It's free. Copy your Cash App card details and enter them into the payment fields on Temu. Make sure everything matches. Once you have entered your details, confirm your payment, and that's it. Your order is complete. Paying with Cash App on Temu is simple and secure. Thanks for watching.